All new here at 5, a live look over I-5 as people are driving home from work. Maybe you're heading to or from baseball, some kind of sporting practice with your kiddos. Pretty soon, some may not be able and allowed to ride shotgun. Your reporter covering Stanislaus County, Nina Burns, is live in Modesto getting answers on a move looking to limit who gets a front row seat in the car. Nina, break this one down for us.
Yeah, Hunter and Marley. Well, right now in California, children 8 and over can ride in the passenger seat, but this bill looks to increase that age up to 16. We spoke to the lawmaker behind the bill, who tells us why she believes this change is needed.
The best thing to do to keep your child safe while riding in a vehicle matches what our law is.
Assembly member and author behind Assembly Bill 435, Lori D. Wilson, says the bill is about safety.
So it really is to take into consideration all the varying types of seats that we sit in a car.
Under current state law, children 8 and older, or at least 4 and 9, can sit in the passenger seat. But Wilson's bill changes that, potentially raising that age to 16 years old and removing height requirements, replacing it with the 5-point test.
Absolutely. It would be mandating and making it a requirement by law.
Now, the first one is you're going to want to make sure your back can touch the back of the seat comfortably. The next is making sure that your knees are properly over the seat, with the next being with the seatbelt. Now, the lower half needs to be able to touch your hips, not your stomach, while the shoulder strap touches your chest and not your neck. The last being you can properly maintain this position without straining or slouching.
And so some cars are equipped with adjustments for a seatbelt.
Wilson says just because a child fails the test in one vehicle doesn't mean they won't pass in another. But the bill states for children 13 and under who fail the test, they need to use a booster seat.
You can drive, but you have to sit in the back if you're not driving.
But Modesto Junior College students say the bill isn't adding up.
How is this properly enforceable? There's unless we're just going to start pulling people aside who look short.
This is about safety. This is about making sure that if something happens, you are safe.
Now, Assemblywoman Wilson says they may change the age to 13 instead of 16, but this bill still has a long way to go. And Assemblywoman Wilson says she's not quite sure when it will go to appropriations. I'll send it back to you guys.
That's
I can hear the arguments.
I was going to say, that is a major change. I can just remember getting punched in the arm every time somebody called shotgun, so maybe a little less bruises on the arm, but big changes for people with kids.
You bet.
All right, Nina, thank you.